Welcome to Ali Motors Faisalabad. Today we will show you latest model of Isuzu NPR ELF Turbo Intercooler with latest features. N Series ELF Reward brings higher performance on every level with styling, power, economical operation and safety features geared to increased capacity. By offering a wide range of GVM, Reward meets the needs of business with a model perfect for every application while working in harmony with society and the environment. Strong and durable cab chassis. A sturdy cab chassis that holds up to heavy use. Superiority both in travel and in boarding. The design is easy on drivers and builds trust the more it is driven. Boxy cab. Upright front pillars and side body. A design of functional beauty that is both aerodynamic and makes efficient use of space. Vertical outside handles. Vertical handles make it easier to access tall vehicles. In addition, grips are designed to accommodate thick gloves. 1. Tough frame. The frame resists twisting during fixed loading and rough driving, and is excellent in terms of durability. Asterisk image shows NPR, NPS, NQR, thickness for NMR, NLR, 5.3 mm. 2. Air cleaner. The necessary performance is maintained, even at a compact size that gives good ground clearance. Now every situation is easier to handle. Leaf spring suspension. A leaf spring suspension system is utilized to keep the vehicle grounded and ensures a smooth ride. Drive with a sense of stability, regardless of whether the road is straight or twisting. Part-time 4WD, front axle connect, disconnect system. Equipped with a transfer control switch which offers one-touch switching between 2WD and 4WD*. In addition, 4L, 4WD low speed range, and 4H, 4WD high speed range, can also be selected. It is necessary to confirm that the knobs on the freewheel hubs are set to the lock position. Transfer control switch and indicator. Switching between 2WD and 4WD is as easy as flipping the switch. Also, as an indicator on the meter lights up when driving in 4WD, your driving mode can be checked with just a glance. Approach angle, ramp angle. A 30.4-degree approach angle and 27.6-degree ramp angle are maintained, so you can drive over rough, uneven, and undulating terrain with ease. When equipped with 7.5 R1610 tires. Fog lamps, option, increase the level of safety during nighttime operation. Exhaust brake assures safe stopping every time, even when fully loaded. Optional for some models. Jet wipers, enhanced wiper performance for a clear windshield. Exhaust brake linked lamps. Engaging the exhaust brake activates the brake lamps, warning following vehicles. Front and rear drum brakes. Extra large brakes improve braking performance. Multi-reflector halogen headlamps. Clear resin lenses and step reflectors provide outstanding illumination over a broad area to improve nighttime visibility and safety. LED meters. Meter panel graphics incorporate ISO-compliant warning symbols. Meters are also easier to read, allowing drivers to confirm vehicle status at a glance. Moreover, LED lighting uses less electrical power, and lamps have a long service life. More space for DIN devices. Vehicles are being equipped with more devices that use DIN connectors, and there is plenty of room to neatly install information terminals and audio equipment. Up to 6 DIN devices can be installed. Manual transmission. Powerful yet economical and easy to handle. Reliability and durability you can count on. Trucks equipped with the 4HK1 and 4HL1 power plants come with a 6-speed transmission except NPS models. 16-valve DOHC. Valve operation is accurately timed even at high RPM, increasing air intake and discharge from cylinders, thereby raising intake and exhaust efficiency. These optimal combustion conditions reduce PM and black smoke while raising fuel economy. 4JJ1. Common rail fuel injection system. Electronic control precisely injects fuel at extremely high pressure and determines optimal injection amounts, reducing NOx and particulate matter, PM. 4JH1, 4JJ1, 4HL1, 4HK1. Intercooler turbo. Intercooler turbo. The turbocharger supercharges with excellent efficiency. And a high-performance intercooler is utilized for high air intake cooling effects. This improves the low torque performance and acceleration, and helps raise the fuel economy. HG1 Model ELF Turbo Displacement 4570 cc, Direct Injection Mechanical Pump System, MAX. Output: 85 kilowatts, 115 PS, 3200 revolutions per minute, max. Torque: 291 Nm, 29.7 kilograms m, 1600 revolutions per minute. Emission standard: Euro I8 valve SOHC normal aspiration. Thanks for watching Ali Motors. If you want to purchase it, a dealership phone number is mentioned at description. Please subscribe channel and get more interesting videos of trucks, and also please like and share.